Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you for joining me on this video. Today we are doing strawberry Swiss roll with white chocolate cream. It is a no-bake dessert cake. Let's begin. Wash and cut off the leaves from the strawberries. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Let's build a base. Wipe a cutting board with a wet kitchen towel, then place a cling wrap on top, then lay the strawberry slices lined close to each other on top of the cling wrap. Yes, it's going to be a tedious job. You may ask for help. Dip the cookies in milk or syrup and lay them on top of the strawberries. One thing I've noticed, push the strawberries close to each other, unlike me. Fill the gaps. Cut some cookies into halves with a knife to fill the gaps and set aside once everything is assembled. Chop the baking white chocolate into smaller pieces to make it easy to melt. Place the chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Melt it for 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it is melted. Once there are few chunks that are unmelted, stop melting it and stir. It will melt by itself. Add cream cheese to the bowl and mix. I'm using a hand mixer. Here I was buying time for the chocolate to cool down as I mix it with cream cheese. Add whipping cream and continue mixing. You may whip the cream aside, then fold it in. Put the cream into the piping bag once it's whipped, and if you don't have a piping bag, don't worry, you're going to spoon the cream into the cookies. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Even if you are not a new viewer, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Pipe or spoon the cream. Level the cream, be it with a knife or with a spoon or offset spatula. Roll, close the roll. Please be aware the strawberries tend to keep slipping out. Trust the process, keep rolling until the end. Apologies, I've lost that footage. Once rolled, put the seam under the roll. Add cling wrap if the need arises. Set your cake or your roll in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Then unroll, garnish it with the leftover cream on top and with mint, then serve it. We forgot the garnishing cream and ate it before the cake got set. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know, what are you preparing for this Valentine's Day? I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.